Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome to a brand new video on my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial. A lot of you guys wanted to see an everyday makeup look or an everyday makeup routine, and since coming back from Miami, I've been really feeling the beach vibes. So lately I've been really drawn to like glowy makeup, really natural looking skin, and just kind of like bronzy gold tones on the eyes. So I decided to do this makeup tutorial. It is super easy and I hope you guys like it. I also wanted to remind you I'm still giving away the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne makeup collection. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 highlight palette, and 3 Urban Decay Vice lipsticks to give away. I will have the information about it in the description box below, but the only rule is that you just need to be subscribed to my channel. So make sure you check out everything in the description box below if you want to win. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter if you guys want to keep up with everything that I'm doing. I also always announce giveaway winners on there, so if you want to make sure that you know right away if you won, I will be announcing it on there as well. I was also just in Miami with Dote, the app that's like an online shopping mall. It's amazing. I became obsessed with it really quickly, so if you want to follow me on the Dote app, you can do that as well. I will have it right here. It's the same exact username as my Instagram and Twitter and everything, so it's super easy to follow me. That's not being sponsored or anything. So if you want to follow me on that app, that would be super cool because I want to show you guys all the clothes and stuff that I'm getting. I actually just put in a fairly big order on the app and my wallet's really not happy about it, but you can totally see what I've been buying. Or if you want to see a haul video of everything that I'm getting recently, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. But otherwise, that aside, let's go ahead and get into what you're actually here for, this makeup tutorial. So I started out by prepping my under eye area because it has been so dry, and I've really been loving this new eye cream. It's from Henriksen. I'm probably saying that wrong, but it's the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It is really brightening. It has like light reflecting particles, so it looks really good underneath the eyes. And I think I forgot to film myself actually using it, but I did prime my skin with the Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. And lately, I've been liking more moisturizing concealers. I was all about the Shape Tape and like the super creaseless concealers, which are amazing, but I wanted to give my skin a little bit of a break, especially around my eyes. So I went back to using my BareMinerals BareSkin concealer, which I love. It is so much more moisturizing than other concealers, and it actually does look really, really good underneath the eye. So I just did that and blended that out with a beauty blender. And then for kind of concealing redness but also brightening up my skin, I'm using another BareMinerals concealer. This is the Stroke of Light concealer, and it's actually meant to be used as an eye brightener, so underneath your eyes, but I currently have one in the shade Luminous 2, which is like the exact same color as my skin tone, so I decided to use it just to kind of brighten up the center of my face a little bit. And then I will be using the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint on the rest of my face because I have been really into keeping my skin looking very natural, kind of dewy. That's why I like to use the more illuminating products, I guess, and making my skin look slightly more dewy and just like natural skin. So that's what I've been all about lately, especially coming back from the beach, because in Miami, it was just so nice and I just wanted to look natural, so that's what I've been doing. And then I've been setting the center of my face with my CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder. I love this setting powder and I love it especially underneath the eyes. It looks really good and it doesn't completely mattify everything so that it still looks like skin. That's why I really like this one. And to bronze up my skin, because I do have like a little bit of self-tanner left, I want to warm up the perimeter of my face, so I'm using this bronzer from PUR. It does have a slight sheen to it, but it looks so beautiful and natural on the skin. I'm gonna just keep talking about being like natural and glowy because that's just what I love lately, and that's what this bronzer makes you look like. And whenever I'm really wanting to look natural and glowy, I always go for a cream blush. So I love the Glossier Cloud Paints. This one is in the shade Dusk. I feel like it's really good for like the summer for sure, but I'm just so over winter. I wanted to look a little bit more glowy and healthy. So I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. And then I'm also highlighting with one of my current favorite highlighters from ColourPop. This is in the color Glazed, and it looks so pretty on the skin. It really looks like you're actually glowing, and it's one of my favorites for an obvious reason. I think it's a really pretty like neutral gold shade, so it doesn't look too unnatural or anything, and it totally goes with that like beachy kind of makeup vibe that I'm going with. So I'm literally highlighting every high point of my face and also the inner corners of my eyes. And if you're going for a no makeup look, I think you could probably just leave it here, but I also wanted to fill in my eyebrows and then of course do like eyeshadow and all that stuff. But this is actually like a face makeup that I would do on the days that I don't want to wear eye makeup or anything, especially on vacation. But I am just filling in my eyebrows. I'm doing it very naturally like I usually do, just filling in all the sparse areas and brushing them out to make it look a little bit more groomed and natural. And then of course I'm setting them in place with my favorite Lash and Brow Gel. This is from Essence. If you guys watch my videos, you know all about this and my obsession with it. It's so affordable and it's amazing. So on the days where I actually want to wear eyeshadow, I usually switch up the eyeshadow palette that I use, but I do find myself reaching for the Chocolate Bar palette from Too Faced a lot, and I pretty much will always go with the same kind of colors. Most of the time that is a fairly neutral or kind of on the warm side matte brown eyeshadow, and I like to just apply that into my crease and maybe a little bit on the outer corners of my eyes just to kind of add a little bit more smokiness to the outer part of my eyes. And this will sometimes be the only thing that I do if I wear eyeshadow, and I will kind of just leave it, put on some mascara and go. But every once in a while I like to make it a little bit darker, so today I decided to add a little bit extra just to deepen up the color, and then also add some of that same brown eyeshadow to the bottom lash line as well. I don't always do this, but like I said, it does change up all the time. And then I will go in with the shimmery shade onto the lid. Usually it's something like a champagne shade or something like neutral and shimmery, and then sometimes I like to go with a gold or bronze shade. So today I was feeling the gold. Like I said, I'm very over winter, so I was really feeling the beach vibe, so I decided to go with something a little bit more like bronze goddessy. So I really love the color. I think it looks really pretty on the lid. And then recently I've been curling my eyelashes. I haven't really done that very much in the past, but recently I've been loving it. So I went ahead and curled my lashes before applying mascara. I've really been obsessed with the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. It's one that I always reach for recently. It does a really good job of separating the lashes, but also still keeping that volume there. So I just really like that. I will usually apply like maybe 2 coats, sometimes 3 on my top lashes and then some on my bottom lashes. Just depends on how I want my eyelashes to look. And then for the lips, I always keep it pretty neutral. I'm using one of the NudeStix pencils. It's like a cheek and lip pencil, and this is the color Haven. It's very nude and just kind of looks like you have a little bit of like a glossy hydrated lip, but that is what I've been doing with my makeup recently. And that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this beachy take on it. I am so over winter, and obviously my makeup routine does change a lot, so this is just the look that I've been loving currently, and I still think that it's wearable for pretty much any time of the year anyways. And again, make sure you check the description box below this video for all of the information about the giveaway that I am doing. Good luck to everybody, and I hope you're all having an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!